What is marketing?
Marketing is an activity that aims to make a profit by meeting the needs of customers. This is a very generalized definition that shows the essence of any marketing activities, the ability to sell a product or service to a target audience. In a broader sense, marketing is a complex discipline that includes the ability to analyze a niche and competitors, predict consumer demand, and skillfully build communications with the target audience. In short, a professional marketer should understand how to turn the needs of people, B2C, or organizations, B2B, in services and goods into consumer demand. Thus, if we describe marketing briefly, it is an activity to meet the needs of customers. Actually, it is the main goal of all marketing strategies of the company. To achieve the goal, marketers solve the following tasks facing the business. Analysis of customer needs in the niche where the company operates. Is the product in demand? What criteria for choosing a target audience should be taken into account before putting products on sale? Study of competitors' offers in the market, as well as pricing in a specific niche. Based on the data obtained, the company's pricing policy is being developed. Adjustment of the range of goods and services to consumer demand. Most companies, entering the market, work with the existing demand. Therefore, promoting an illiquid product is often a loss-making enterprise. On the other hand, to promote a new product, a large budget is required to create demand, but you will get all the cream. Launch of activities aimed at increasing demand, sales of products. These are advertising in online and offline environments, viral promotion, word of mouth, and other techniques. Customer service, customer support. Ideal marketing is not just a single sale of goods, but a technology for turning customers into regular customers. Everything is important in this system: product quality, quality of service, responsive support.